A hemispherical depression is cut out of the face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter of the hemisphere is, is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So what does this mean? First understand what does this mean. This means that there's a cube with length L, and there is also a hemisphere. Hemisphere is half circle. Now there's a hemisphere, half circle, half sphere, whose diameter, this diameter, is equal to the side of the cube, that is L. So diameter equal to side equal to L. And this hemisphere is placed inside the cube. Now when this hemisphere is placed inside the cube, there's certain amount of displacement. So the cube will now be somewhat hollow at one portion, other edges will be solid. So we need to find out first the surface area of the cube. There are 6 sides, so 6 into side square. That is 6 into L square. There is a total surface area when the hemisphere have not been placed inside the cube. Now I place the hemisphere. Now what happens? There's a hollow circular piece of hemisphere placed. So I need to find the 6 L square, is total surface area of the cube, minus the circular base, because this circular base have to be cut. Okay, I cut the CSA, circular base of the area of the circular base of the hemisphere, and we have to add the CSA of the hemisphere because there's a hollow. This hollow section has to be added. The area circle has to be deducted from the total surface area of the cube. I'll again repeat, from the total surface area of the cube, the circular base, that is the area of the circle, have to be removed, and the CSA of the hemisphere have to be added. So 6L square, this is the surface area of the cube, minus pi r square, this is the area of the base, plus 2 pi r square, this is the surface area of the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Now pi r square minus, and 2 pi r square means pi r square and pi r square, 2 plus pi r square and 1 minus. So minus and plus cut. So only what is left is plus pi r square. So that's what I have written, plus pi r square. So what is R? We know that the diameter is L. So R is L divided by 2. So 6L square plus pi L by 2 whole square means pi L square divided by 4. Now 6L square have a denominator 1 and pi L square have denominator 4. We do a LCM or common denominator. So we multiply. 1 goes into 4 how many times? 4 times. So 4 into 6, 24 L square plus pi L square divided by 4. So this is the answer, but you can also do one step ahead. You can do the common. The L square can be kept common outside. So we'll do that also. I've taken the common L square out. So L square bracket open 24 plus pi divided by 4. This is the answer. So this brings end of the question. Thank you.